Welcome, darling, back to Wonderland with another simple French braided hairstyle in Wilderness. Combing through the hair, I am starting this hairstyle on a side part. You can use whatever part you most prefer. I am going to frame my face by taking little small sections of hair to exclude from the braid. Then I am going to take a diagonal section of hair and split that into 3 pieces. Then I am going to take each and every section and place that underneath the middle strand. Once I've completed one of those stitch passes, I am going to begin taking very small sections of hair on each of the right and the left side and include those into those strands I'm going to place underneath the middle section. Once I finish this process on both sides of my hair, I am going to pancake these strands in the braid by just gently pulling out some of those strands for a more undone romantic braid. That concludes this hairstyle in Wilderness. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new, and I'll see you next time in Wonderland.